Want to hide or blur someone's face in a video using CapCut on PC. In this video, I'll show you how to blur faces in CapCut PC easily for privacy, censorship, or creative editing. Let's get started. First, open CapCut on your computer, create a new project. Then import the video you want to edit. Drag the video onto the timeline. To create the blur effect, duplicate the video by holding Alt plus left click and place the duplicated clip directly above the original video layer. Select the bottom video layer. Go to Effects, Video Effects. Search for blur, choose a blur effect like Gaussian blur, mosaic blur, drag the effect onto the bottom clip. Now select the blurred clip. Go to Mask, choose a shape like circle, rectangle, or use the pen tool to map it out. Resize the mask so it only covers the face. If the person moves, use keyframes to move the mask frame by frame. Adjust the mask position throughout the video. This keeps the blur covering the face properly. Increase or decrease the blur intensity depending on how hidden you want the face to be. You can also feather the edges for a smoother look. Play the video back and make sure the face stays blurred the entire time. Adjust keyframes if needed. Once finished, click Export. Choose your preferred quality and resolution. Your edited video will save to your computer. For better tracking, use high-quality video. Zoom in on the timeline for precise keyframes. Keep the blur mask slightly larger than the face. This prevents accidental exposure. You can also use this method to blur license plates, screens, logos, private information, perfect for YouTube and social media videos. And that's how to blur a face in CapCut PC. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe and comment below. Check out the next video for more CapCut editing tutorials.